Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks, and what I have here around my neck is the floating waterproof phone case from Ocean and Earth. I particularly like this phone case because it's got some really cool features that I'm going to show you. The first is that you've got an adjustable neck string here, so you can easily take it off or even just extend it for a selfie. It's extremely safe for your phone. So they've got this locking mechanism here. Right. You can open it up, slide your phone in and out, and then this gives you an amazing seal. Right. So you really feel like your stuff is cinched in there tight, no water's getting in. A couple of other features, you can use your phone through it. So I can literally type, pop in my thing, get going. Hello, you know, check this, that, and the other. But the other beautiful thing is they've got a clear window on the back for your camera. So if you're into photography or you just want to take some shots as you're paddling, line it up, take those shots. And like I said, you can extend it for a selfie if you like. And best of all, it floats. So even if the worst comes to worst and you drop it, all you got to do is grab it back. If you have any questions about the floating waterproof phone case from Ocean and Earth, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.